Where are we going?
Look out!
How far is it? Guys, there are like so many stairs going towards this. It better be worth it. We are exhausted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Summers are finally here and I need to make the most of it. So today's adventure is hiking and we are headed to the Algonquin Provincial Park, which is located around 2 hours away from Toronto. We'll be doing some hiking there and exploring the beautiful park. Let's see what it has in store for us.
So we are at Algonquin Provincial Park now and we are about to begin our trail. There's this beautiful lake over here. We have started our trek. So basically this park has multiple treks which you can choose from depending on the difficulty that you want to go for. So the one that we chose is called the Trek and Trail, which we are going to go to see a few waterfalls, a few water bodies, and then we are going to go to the lookout point, which I am really excited for. It's like a tabletop which gives you the whole view of Algonquin. So yes, very excited about that. And the difficulty of this trail is it is considered to be difficult and takes 4 to 5 hours to complete. It's 7 to 8 kilometers. So to and fro 4 से 5 घंटे लगते हैं. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. And throughout the trek उन्होंने signs दिए हुए हैं to show you if you are in the right direction. After 2 hours of trekking, here we are at the lookout point. And guys, it is beautiful. Pictures are really not doing any justice to this. It's so nice. And I'm obsessed. We are waiting here for some time and just enjoying the view, and then we are gonna go trek back. We are halfway into the trail, guys, and this is the beauty of Ontario. जहाँ पे भी देखो, every 5 minutes there's a water body where you can sit, relax, enjoy the sound of the water, and it's so nice to be here and be with nature. So after the amazing view, now we are going back. Again, it's gonna be around 2 hours of trekking, but was it worth it?
Absolutely, like the view was breathtaking, honestly.
It's so nice. It's really nice. We didn't even feel like getting up once we got a spot over there. We really didn't want to get up. We wanted to just sit there, relax, enjoy. So definitely worth it. And I'm loving summers already. So guys, we are over here. We're gonna take this, visit the Grand Lake, and then go to the parking lot. So we still have a long way to go and more scenic things to see, hopefully. we can see the parking finally, guys. वहाँ पे and it kind of feels like आने से ज़्यादा जाने में टाइम लगा. Maybe हम कहीं भटक गए wrong way या we don't know, but we are here finally. Exhausted but feels good to complete this trek, and it was amazing. Glad to get back into the car, and I want to drink something cold. So yeah, but amazing.
So this was my small hike. Getting out of the house and breathing some fresh air, getting lost in the woods felt so amazing. I hope I get to explore and travel more. Till then, this was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon in another adventure. Till then, bye.